Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So to do this, we'll need to open up the RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now navigate to the folder that contains your files that you want to pack into a RAR or zip archive. Select each of the file like this, click on this plus button. That way you'll enter archiving options. Here you can change any of them, but it's not necessary, so I will simply change the name. Click OK, and that way you'll pack your first RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.